sir, radio Connie 2041.
Connie 2041 Heavy, Mirabel Radio.
Sir, good evening, actually good afternoon. Connie 2041 is in the ILS Cat 2 runway 6.
Connie 2041 Heavy, Mirabel Radio, Roger, runway 061070 altimeter 2932, land intensity at 5.
You said clear to land?
Landing is at your discretion.
Landing at our discretion, 321 the meter, and Connie 2041. Okay, and Connie 2041 Montreal.
2041 Mirabel Radio.
Yes sir, this is our first time getting into Montreal, sir. Do we have to make traffic advisory call-outs?
Yeah, I'm in the tower, I'm talking to you.
Alright, we're coming into land. We're approximately 7 miles from Albany at this point.
Yeah.
Center Connie 2041.
Connie 2041 Mirabel Radio.
Yes sir, just a free taxi over here?
You should be exiting at Bravo 5. When exiting on Bravo 5, contact me 121.8.
Okay sir, thank you. Connie 2041 is also Bravo 5 sir.
Connie 2041, Roger, what is your destination on the field, sir?
It's a cargo ramp, I believe it's at Foxtrot.
Over there, are you familiar with the field?
Negative, so this is our first time in, just to monitor us if we can.
Okay, so you're on Bravo 5. You can turn left on Bravo, continue on Bravo, it will become Juliet, continue on Juliet, and it will be on your right for Foxtrot, and that will bring you to the cargo ramp.
Right, so we copy all of that, Bravo, Foxtrot, Juliet, correction, Bravo, Juliet, Foxtrot, Connie 2041, thank you.
Zero 41, yeah, Radio. Go ahead. Your current position, sir?
We're just going into Foxtrot.
Good.